Child, I look so fucking good today. I hope I did an intro, but we're just gonna get into these products. I already washed and toned my face. I'm gonna start with my like nighttime kind of routine first because I have some things to do, so I'd rather let that sit and marinate in the skin, and then we can get into the other stuff, because basically I bought a lot of skincare this VIP sale, so I'm like, I want to try it all at least one time. I'm trying to, honestly my skin's not bad, so I'm saying like I want to go with my skin, but I just want it to be like a little bit better. Is that so much to ask? Anyways, first item I'm going to be using is this Maison Margiela. It's going to say cologne, but it's eau de toilette. And this is in Bubble Bath. I saw this on Twitter. I forgot the name of the Twitter, but it's basically like black girl luxury scents. And whoever runs that Twitter account has a whole bunch of, look how cute, recommendations for different times of days for perfumes, what they smell like, how to use them. Basically, it's all scent-based content. So I saw this and I looked at the notes and I was saying, yeah, comforting, clean accords, and it's giving Beverly Hills 2005, or is that where it was made? Who knows? So I tried this. I love it. If you don't like muskier or man type scents, you're not gonna like this. It's almost giving to like not vanilla, but a little bit of vanilla. I love how it dries on the skin. I kind of sampled it this morning because I'm trying to avoid doing too many first impressions. But anyways, love this, and that's why I bought the sample size. Also, I love that it comes in like a pretty decent sample size, like that you can purchase. I'll put in the prices and linking everything that I purchased today down below, but I like that it's an actual bottle. I wish it had a lid. Don't get it twisted. I wish it had a lid. Very interesting trying more of their scents. But we're gonna go try the Ordinary's Mandelic acid. It's ideally used in the PM. I've never tried this before, but it's supposed to help with texture, uneven skin tone, texture irregularities, and fine lines. So let's try this. I'm just gonna do a little bit because my skin is sensitive, and it feels more like an oil than anything else. So that's interesting. It's not like a full serum, but I'll let you know if I have any reactions by the time this gets uploaded, but it shouldn't. I'm gonna use the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in Fussy Heat, just to kind of like hydrate my lips and get them plumped and ready for today's makeup. I have not tried this yet, so I'm very excited. But I like that Fussy's always like calm. She's very neutral, very calm, very accentuating. Has the classic scent. Let's just see what she's good. Yes, I just wanted like something clear and hydrating. Against this face mask, I actually bought this brush because I don't ever have anything that I can like dip into face masks, and I feel like dipping your hands in is unsanitary. I have nails. I'm not gonna be a fool to say that under my nails is always clean. Even if I wash my hands, I could still leave stuff under my nails or forget to wash under my nails. So I really wanted this like scooper, and I think it has an exfoliating, yeah, apply and remove. Paddles used to scoop, flexible flexible silicone bristle to massage and remove the product from the skin. So this is cool. And then my favorite Glow Recipe watermelon mask. Love this to sleep in. Do it all the time. It's just like amazing. Always wake up with like soft skin, glowy skin. Like it actually, this is one thing you cannot ever leave behind. Shout out to my girl Courtney Janine for putting me on to these. I have not tried them yet. Ooh, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, free my ears. Ooh, this is like in there. Yes, contour me, baby. I'll let this sit, I'll let it sit for like 20-30 minutes and then come back and fuck your life. Okay, so now my wig is on and I've washed my face. I mean, I feel like that trim has did a little something. I'm ordering 10 more. I'm gonna try this Kiehl's Dark Spot Corrector. I actually don't have many dark spots. Like, they've been pretty obedient. I just really want to even my skin tone. Really, that's my goal. The next one thing I was able to get my hands on during this sale is that temporary eye tightener that went viral on TikTok from Peter Thomas Roth, and we're gonna use this today. I've been trying it. I feel like my eye bags aren't severe enough. I'm gonna just say that. Like, they're there. We all see them. We know they're in the room, but she doesn't want to help them out. It does say and recommend to use a brush just to make sure that you get like even application. I don't feel like this is the most black girl friendly product, only because They do call themselves out for it. It can leave a white residue if you use too much. And this is, you know, after cleansing and before like moisturizing. And you can't put moisturizer over top of this. So this is like problem number one for the black girl. She's like, her eye is not getting any hydration, and any excess you can just dab away. So yeah, just be wary of that white residue. I recommend using a brush just like they do say, because it does make a difference. And hopefully I'll have some side-by-side ready for y'all in a minute. I'm actually pretty sure I'm gonna do the majority of my face routine off camera because it's the same. It's the same. So I'm gonna come back when my base is done and we'll get into the rest of the products that I bought. The eye bags look great. It's actually working way better today. I just used the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I'm gonna fix my wig and my hairline after. I'm totally done. And I mixed that with a little bit of Farsali and highlighter. Just give me that glow. You see that? Little pro tip. So anyways, I'm gonna get into concealer. I haven't tried these concealers before. These are the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Concealers. I'm gonna use them all over my freaking face though. It's supposed to be anti-aging waterproof concealer. I've never tried IT Cosmetics at all, so very intrigued. And I love concealers. Concealers are the one thing that like, they'll get me every time. Like my shades are rich golden and deep golden. Still pulling my concealer like this. What about it? I'm tired of the new girls trying to tell me what to do, how to live my life. Oh, I feel like this is too late, but we're gonna use it anyways. Icky. So just straighten my hair, and what else did I do? Put powder on my face. Okay, so the next thing I bought was the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray, which is supposed to be transfer proof grip set. It got that grip, honey. Forward to it. I know you have to shake it. I'm excited, guys. No scent, which is a good sign because I have sensitive skin. Wow, this is drying down. We're gonna put on some highlighter, not from Sephora, but that's okay. And right on top of that setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna put some lashes and some liner. Also not from Sephora, but my lip is from Sephora, so you know the whole point of the got rid of me. Okay, and to top up for lips, I got Mauve Lives from Fenty Beauty in the Gloss Bomb Cream. And I'm so excited about this because y'all know I'm always trying to recreate SZA's lip combo. Word on the street is she's another contender. So I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Bittersweet, no, MAC's Chestnut Light, and get into this. I was making a TikTok, so I forgot to show you guys, but ooh, child, I look so fucking good today. Okay, so this is the finished look. I ended up topping my Gloss Bomb Cream in my Gloss Bomb Heat, and we came up with this. She's giving Solana, okay? That's that. All the products I tried today, I actually love. This Milk setting spray though, y'all. She's really transfer proof. So just so you know that tip before I get off this camera. She really, like, I'm trying not to press hard, obviously, but I'm still shook because anytime I would touch my face before, that would definitely be happening. This might be my mask proof, mask routine, makeup, whatever. Anyways, I loved everything. I had fun today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. Leave that in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.